Hi, Val here with the foundation, and today I have the pleasure of being here with Brian McRae of Windermere, Issaquah. Hi, Brian.
Hi, Val.
I hear you have some exciting news for the foundation.
Yeah, I'm glad we could get together because we're so thrilled to be able to award the Issaquah Schools Foundation a grant this year again, and I'm here to present a check on behalf of the on behalf of the Windermere Foundation to the Issaquah Schools Foundation.
Oh, thank you so much, Brian. We really appreciate Windermere's renewed support, especially in a year with so many ups and downs. Can you tell our families a little bit more about the Windermere Foundation? I think this is one of the things that I find so amazing about the foundation itself, is that where the funds come from. I love the story.
Yes, I'd be happy to do that. So the Windermere Foundation is a foundation that is derived 100% from the donations from Windermere agents themselves. And so they take a part of their earnings from the sale of homes and they donate it to the foundation. And the nice thing about Windermere's foundation is that it really leverages us together. So it's not just an individual, but we are able to really leverage our funds and really broaden how we can make partnerships and make long-term lasting relationships with community-based foundations.
Oh, that's fantastic. And we so appreciate your commitment to our community. It's my understanding that this year you guys had the pleasure of supporting 26 different organizations. Is that right?
Yes.
That's amazing.
And we donated, there were, this year, we were able to come together at the last minute, and a lot of agents really dug down deep, and we were able to actually, we thought we were going to be about half of the amount to donate, because COVID really stopped our ability to kind of work normally. But then the last month or so, agents really stepped up, and we actually have more this year to donate than we did in previous years.
That's amazing. I love the story about your foundation because it just echoes the sentiment that it takes all of us. Little bits together make a whole lot, and a lot of impact that can go out and help other organizations. And so thank you so much. This year, your grant is going to be applied to our Equity and Opportunity Fund, which is established to hopefully remove obstacles that might be preventing equitable access to education. And so this can be flexible funding that can nimbly respond to all sorts of needs that we're seeing in the community as the pandemic continues. And so no doubt that that money will be put to good use to make sure that we keep kids connected, learning. And we're so very grateful for fueling that. So thank you so much.
That's great. We're really glad to be a part of that and to support your great work that you do. So thank you for everything you do.
Well, thank you for your support, Brian.
All right.
And Windermere and the greater whole.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.